Hello everyone, welcome to CodXCrypt. I am Animesh and I am going to launch a complete Cloud Computing 101 using Google Cloud crash course. In this course, we will try to cover everything that is related with cloud computing and Google Cloud. Before I will start, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started. I have divided the course in 4 different modules. In our first module, we will learn about Introduction to Cloud Computing. In this module, we will learn Introduction to Google Cloud, different cloud computing platforms, cloud computing and its usage, and difference between cloud computing and on-premises. Our next module is Basics of Google Cloud. In this module, we will learn different cloud essentials, infrastructures, networking in Google Cloud, Kubernetes in Google Cloud, cloud engineering, developing essentials, security and identity fundamentals, understanding our cloud costs, Google Cloud solutions, and cloud architecture. In our third module, we will focus on development using Google Cloud. In this module, we will learn Google Developer Essentials, how to build interactive apps using Google Assistant, machine learning APIs, cloud development, cloud logging, websites on Google Cloud, baselines that is deploy and develop apps, exploring APIs, Internet of Things in the Google Cloud, and workspace integration. Our next and last module will be focused on big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence track. In this module, we will learn about to perform fundamental data artificial intelligence machine learning tasks in Google Cloud, BigQuery and basics of data analytics, BigQuery for machine learning, bracketology with Google Cloud, blockchain, data engineering, cloud SQL, BigQuery for data warehousing, scientific data processing, and introduction to machine learning processing. So this is our course overview regarding cloud computing. I will see you in my next lecture, which is Introduction to Cloud Computing. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.